How to set up your TradingView chart. So you come to your browser, you type TradingView. So I have it. Then you click on TradingView chart. We have several tools on your TradingView. So I'm going to be revealing to you on how to set it up. When you come to this time frame here, we click on the drop down. We have 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15, and like. We have several traders. So for me, I use 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, daily, weekly, and monthly to carry out my analysis. So, and for you to do that, when you click on the drop down, you just select, you come to this how to favorite any time frame that you want to select. You just click on the time frame here, you select it, and it's going to pin to the bar. That is how to set your time frame. We also have some tools here that you use on day to day that you can also add to your favorite, starting from the trend line. So under this line, when you click on it, we have several lines that you can add to your favorite. Trend line are actually used to draw trend, to know how the movement of the chart is. Either it's going on a upper trend or a lower trend, or is moving on ranging or choppy. We have the trend line. You can always add to favorite any line that you want. You have ray. You can always check my bar to see the lines that I am using. After that, I come to this Fibonacci and I turn it in Fibonacci. Also coming to head and shoulder, I turn in the head and shoulder. Short position, long position is turning. You can always turn in any tools that you want to use. Arrow, angle, rectangles, ellipse, falling line, arc, triangle, and test also. Test, call out. Maybe you want to test, you need test to do anything. You can always do that, and call out as well. You can always turn in any of the tools that you need. Also coming to the background color, you can always set out background color that you want to. There are some people that might prefer it to be on black. So for you to set in the background colors, you can always come to the Canva and you right click, you come to settings, you click on settings, then it's going to show you the background. So under the Canva, we have solid, we have gradient. So this is under the gradient. Now it's on black, but I prefer to use solid. I want it to be on solid. You can always select any background you want to use. Like this solid now, I can also change it to black if I want to use black. Like you can see now it's on black. This was the color that was there initially. When you set your background color, you can always click OK. You also have the indicators. You can always change it to any indicators that you want. If you want it to be on bar, if you want it to be on candles, when you click on bar, it will change to bar. If you want it to be on candles, it will change to candles. So the preferred ones is always on candles, and this line you can also change it to line when needed. Under this watch list, when you click on the icon watch list, this is where you can add in any coins that you want to use to carry out your analysis. TradingView is actually used to do several analysis, to do analysis on charts like stock, funds, futures, forex. As a future trader, you use TradingView. Under the all, you can always search for any product that you want to search for. Like for example, now I want to search for BTC. Now I've searched for BTC, but which of the BTC did I want to add to my favorites? For example, I want to add BTC that is on Binance to my TradingView. So I will just search for BTC USDT, and when you see it now, this is it. BTC USDT, this is Binance. I can actually add this to my favorite. When I click on this add to favorite, it's going to display here. This is it, BTC USDT. It has been added to my favorite, so I don't need to come back here to search. And that is how to add any coin of your choice to your favorite. And if you want to delete it, you can always delete it. And you can as well come to this place under your favorite. These are my favorite here. You can always come here to delete it. Any watch list you don't want, you can always delete that. Here's the price scale. This is where you get the price. If the coin is on low, if it's on high, you can always check that out here from the price here. When you drag it, move it up, it will move. When you move it down, it will go down. Same thing with this. You can always move it to position it to your view. And also here you can always move the candles. For example, now I want to move to 1 hour candles. This particular coins, I want to check the 1 hour chart. I'll just come to this and I'll click on 1 hour. So this is the 1 hour chart now. This is the 1 hour chart. I can carry out analysis under this 1 hour chart. I want to drag it closer. Maybe I want to check a particular year maybe 2020, maybe 2024 December, you can always check out that under your chart. You can always drag it to any place that you want to do. With that, you'll be able to draw your trend lines. You'll be able to check out for market shift. You draw out your support and resistance. Also, this is the volume here, the volume of the chart. You can always add the volume. You type volume. So this is the volume here. You can also add in the volume line to have a better view of what the volume is saying. When you check this place here, under this volume, these are the volumes for each of the candles. So you can always add in the volumes line from here. When you click on it, click on settings and you click on this volume MA. Now we have the volume line. This is the volume line on blue, so I can decide to change it to any color that I want. That is how I was able to add in the volume line. When there's not enough volume to move the price up, you can easily know that from the volume line. And with this, I believe you can easily set up your trading view to carry out analysis. See you on the next video.